game against Wolves was obviously rearranged at fairly short notice. I mean, I know you can't change it, obviously, but were you happy with how that was done?
It is done, and obviously it's not in our hands. We have to play now, and we are very happy to play tomorrow.
Good afternoon, Mikel. This weekend you played Bukayo in the 10 role. It's raising questions if he's going to play there again, or will he stay in his current role out wide and you'll incorporate his skill set with him inverting more? Is that something you have planned?
Yeah, depending on the options that we have available, we will try to be as good as possible, and I will have another opportunity, another option there, which is great to have.